ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुवाक्य मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा अखंडमंडलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम गम गणपते नमः गणेशाय नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय नमो नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय नमो नमः। नमः शिवाय नमो नमः। ओम शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत। Nowadays, everyone has a lot of stress, tension, worry, preoccupation. Especially in the work, the people work in the office, and they have a lot of expenditure, all kind of expenditure, and income is less. The fixed pay to the rent, electricity, telephone, water bill, food and all the things, and income is coming less. So collectively people have a lot of stress, worries and preoccupation. So how to handle the stress, the tension? Art of maintaining the mind calm, cool and relaxed. Doesn't matter how much tension or worry you have, or economic problem, but your mind is cool, calm, relaxed, well trained, that mind can be different. The mind is more important. Mind think negative and positive. If you think worries and preoccupation, that create instability in your personal life, collective life. So that's why learn how to maintain art of thinking, art of listening, art of talking. What you listen, what you talk, and what you act. That's why the important thing, meditation, is a way of life. The well-trained mind, relaxed mind, calm mind make it different. How much worry you have? Worrying create tension, worry. But if you cool down yourself, if the mind is calm and quiet, meditate properly, do some breathing properly, think properly, think positive, act positively, and you can make a difference in your life. Minimum, you can live better. The more you have purchased the thing, more your money, more you spend. Minimum, you can live a healthy and balanced, peaceful life. Peace is always within us. Peace is not coming outside. What we collect the thing to buying, spending the money, create tension. But desire never fulfill, my dear friend. Desire infinite. You minimum thing always you get what you need it. That's why art of managing the mind, meditation. Meditate every day, relax yourself, think calm and quiet, so that mind become a good friend. The mind is the most important thing. Positive mind and negative mind. The positive mind make it relax. How difficult. But thinking too much negative, mind is your enemy. So meditate every day, make a fixed time, and also important thing, what you eat, proper diet, proper time, proper moment. Time of sleeping, time of eating, and time of maintaining your time. One thing personally I am expressing myself. You watch too much news and TV bombarding news, negative news. Suppose now we have corona thing going on. Too much news that make man for nothing. You cannot make it different what is happening, but you become imbalanced your personality. The watching too much news, that is balance. I'm telling with my personal experiences. Since 2 days, I'm trying to not to see any more, not to watch any news, TV or computer, and I feel very happy and contentment. My mind is cool and calm, and the worries automatically they come and go, but worried and preoccupation that will not remain longer time. So meditate. Today is a special day of Lord Shiva, Shivratri, and the Shiva he is called Dayalu, Karuna Sagar, Lord of compassion. He give everything. Believe on the divine cosmic Lord, always give you external life, internal life. The internal feed your soul, feed your spirit, develop your confidence, courage and willpower, and your all worries will disappear. When there is light, there is no darkness. Daytime sun is so powerful, we don't need to put the light. Dark means the negative aspect of personality. Light of joy, light of peace, light of happiness. Put a light, proper, positive way, you can make a difference in your life. So release the stress and tension in the workplace, in the home, in the personal, develop that positive attitude in your life. That is a gift for you. Every person has surplus energy, infinite energy, but that positive energy with not using, use negative energy, we spend your energy for nothing and be helpless, unhappiness, sadness, nervousness, worries and preoccupation. The art of meditation, regular meditation, they change the quality of life. Meditation for the mind. Food we give the senses, looking, hearing, listening, but meditation, contemplation, that make you more happy. The three things important I am telling, chinta, chinta and chintan. Chita, chintan and chintan. Chita means the dead body. When the person died, with cremation of that body, that is called chita. Chinta means worries. So chinta, the worries, you kill your living body. And chintan means higher cosmic thinking. Develop the power of higher thinking. I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am not the intellect, emotion, I am the immortal soul. Your fear disappeared, worry disappeared, and you will be a happy person. To do Atma Chinta, self-analyze, not spend your energy in Chinta, means preoccupation, worries, doubt. Chita, dead body, we burn or we cremation. So, my humble opinion, do higher cosmic thinking and divine will provide you what you need in the life. Life is a divine blessing. God sent us this planet. He will always give what you need it. But man create that desire and desire never fulfill and always make up unhappy. The cause of unhappy is man creation. Happiness, beyond that, peace, shanti, bhakti. So go to our peace and you will be happy. My good wishes, my love and blessing, all of you. Om Samno Mitrasam Samno Varunaha Samno Bhatvaryama Samno Indro Brahaspati Samno Vishnurukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vayo Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishami Ritam Vadishami Satyam Vadishami Tanmavotu Tadvaktaramatu Avatu Mam Avatu Vaktaram Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om